Hi, Blake with Boulevard Home, and today we're going to talk about compact washers, what you can expect from them and what they're really good for. People have a lot of questions about compact washers and they look at them and say, wow, that's really neat, but they're kind of small. Yeah, they're small. But compact washers are really a world washer because us here in the United States, we're used to our bigger is better mentality, and our bigger and better mentality is we have 30-inch laundry. I mean, we got to have the big stuff. But for the rest of the world, 24-inch laundry is the standard. Bosch used to make a front-load washing machine. It was a fabulous washing machine, loved it. But they actually stopped building it because there was only one market for it, and that was. But they could build what they refer to as our compact washer, and they sold it all over the world. Now, how do they differ? Well, they differ in lots of ways. Because they are smaller, you can't do as big a load with them. A lot of times they are on European voltage that's been converted down for US voltage, which means you either have to have a special outlet that's designed in your home to plug the washing machine into, that's 220, or you have to have some type of converter that plugs into your outlet for your dryer, that you have two outlets coming out of it that you plug in the washer and the dryer into this special outlet. When you're looking at compact washers, that's something you probably want to ask your salesperson or talk to them about, because it is something that is really important with these washing machines. They're great if you're doing small loads. If you don't go small with these units, as far as load size, stuff like that, they're just not going to clean and they're not going to work right, and you're going to be really disappointed with them. So with these are great for, like, in my opinion, like an RV, or if you have laundry in your closet because you don't want to walk down the hall to put it in the big one. And trust me, people have this, you know, and you may be one of those people. I'm kind of jealous, but they're great for those applications or for small usage. But if you're expecting big usage out of it, you know, for a full-size family, forget it. It's just not going to work unless you enjoy doing laundry all day, and a lot of people do. And then when you're talking the matching dryer, because you know you're going to have the matching dryer to the washer, the dryers are ventless dryers. So being a ventless dryer, they're a condensing dryer. They don't dry very fast. You have to understand, if you buy that washing machine and you have to have that matching dryer, that it's not going to dry as efficiently as a larger dryer would. On the repair side, how easy are they to repair? Not very easy, I'll be honest with you. Because they are so small and they have everything in a very compact 24-inch box, stuff is pretty tight in there. So when they break, because eventually they're going to break, usually repair costs on these are usually a little bit more elevated, strictly because the parts are more expensive because, again, they're European, so they have to be shipped over to the United States, but also the technician's time to repair them, it's not easy. So just be mindful that if you do have to have these fixed, that your repair costs are honestly probably about 20 to 30% more than what you would have for a normal washing machine, just strictly because it's compact. So that's something to also keep in mind. But are they a good washer? Yeah. Do they work? Absolutely they work. And would I be afraid to buy one? No. But you have to know that you can't treat it like a normal laundry. You do have to use smaller loads, way less soap, and you have to do your cleaning cycles like you do with any one of them. But these are more important than the other ones because everything is miniaturized down. And just know, if they do break, you're gonna have to fork out a little bit more money to get them repaired. So if you're thinking about it, it's not a bad option. So, well, we have lots of other videos for you to watch. So you know, please like and subscribe, and you can check out all these other videos, and we'll find out lots of interesting stuff you may or may not want to know, but at least you'll have that information, and information is power. So thanks for watching. Well, one of our subscribers did put on there that he wasn't watching the video because I wasn't the one giving the video. Well, Cam, I will tell you, he's a really great guy. He is a salesperson, but he is a great guy. So don't be afraid to watch Cam stuff, because Cam is great.